Hello guys, I'm sorry, it's been quite a while since my last video. I apologize, I'm quite busy in school with all the homeworks and shit like that. I'm sorry. So I will at least do a little video today about picking this Yale padlock. Just a little made in China 4-pin Yale cheapo padlock. I have another one here. This one I ripped it. I put set screw on the top. It's a challenge to pick 4 pins, but all spools and one threaded chamber with quite a sharp edge, and with it it's a little CS 91E blanks, but it's a Y52 keyway. So that key is not the best one. I don't know who duplicated this key, but I had a bunch of this key and it happened to fit, so I used them. And, the guy who duplicated them was not very good, I think. So there it is. So I will pick this one. It's the first lock I ever picked, so I just found it back. I will use my half diamond and no tension. I will just try to find the keyway. There we go, open. And the shackle pin is broken. I need to replace that. With that fixed, I will turn it into one of these, and I will send it to somebody who wants it. If you want one of these, just let me know. Put your name in the comments, and I will be happy to trade it for just another little brass padlock, no matter on the brand. Just another one of these, or better than these, but not worse, please, not worse. This one is already bad enough, so at least it's brass. So, but already open. The bitting is quite easy, I think, and they are all standard pins. So if you want one of these, this one I will fix the broken pin, and I will turn it into one of these with a key. One of these with a key. I will put just master lock spools in it, no threading, no contaminating, no anything, just spools to practice. If you are a beginner and you want to have a little luck to practice, you put serrated pins in there, it's the perfect lock for you. So if you want it, just put your name below and I will send it to you. So thank you for watching guys, and please stay legal.